G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons and I'm here at Parravans at Windsor, and I want to show you the Atlantic Endeavour. It's a touring van. If you want to go touring, come and have a look at this van. It's got so many terrific features, including the opportunity, if you want to sleep an extra couple of kids or another adult. So it's wonderful. Come and have a look. You know, when you're touring, when you're seeing Australia, you want to do it in style. You want to do it with the comfort and the luxuries. Have a look at the size of this fridge. It is a beauty. It's a Dometic, but it's got a big freezer, big fridge. That's a winner. Coming over here, you've got a terrific stainless steel sink, but look at the number of cabinets you've got, plus the microwave, plus the sound system. And in here, you've got fabulous hot plates. You've got the griller. The bed is immense. The thing is, this van is just packed with storage space. Have a look. Even more under the bed. Is that a winner? It is, isn't it? I know it is. Have a look at this amazing club lounge, which is in a 20-foot van. It's a club lounge in a 20-foot van. The second bonus with that is that this table lowers down, and that allows you to have maybe a couple of little ones or one big one. So you can have an extra adult or two little kids, plus you've got the bed over there. So if you've got some extras that want to go with you, here's your opportunity, and it's in a 20-foot touring van. I'm going to show you something outstanding. This is called the BM Pro Odyssey Link 103. It's a battery management system. It's all there for you. So it's all done. You don't have to worry anymore about your batteries. It's all done there. And the beaut part is the BM Pro is Australian made. That's a winner just by itself. Fabulous ensuite. You've got the toilet. Of course, look at the washing machine, already built in, already done. Great cabinetry up here, towel rails there. And of course, there's storage over here, plus here, and the shower. It has its own exhaust fan, as does the toilet. It's all done for you. If you want a touring van, you've got to have a look at the Atlantic Endeavour series. Even this area here is a full tunnel boot. Opens up on the other side as well. It's all storage. It is terrific. So to find out more, you go to Parravans, send them an email, give them a phone call, let them help you.